In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically forward and redirect emails in Outlook. This can be extremely useful if you manage multiple email accounts or need to ensure specific messages are forwarded to another account or folder. Let's dive into it step by step. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Microsoft Outlook website. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in. So go ahead and click on the sign in option. Now, simply enter your login details on the sign-in page. It's quite straightforward. Just ensure you've entered your email and the correct password. After that, click Next, and you've signed in successfully, which will take you to your Outlook dashboard. On your Outlook dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You're looking for a small icon that looks like a gear. That's the settings icon. Click on it, and from there, you'll find a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll want to navigate to Mail, followed by Rules. This is where the magic happens. Now that you're in the Rules section, you're going to create a new rule by clicking on Add a New Rule. This feature lets you customize how your incoming emails are handled automatically. The first thing you'll do here is add a condition. In this case, we're interested in who the email is from. So select From, and then specify the sender's email. This is a great way to filter emails from a particular person or organization. With the condition set, it's time to define what action you want Outlook to take when it finds emails that meet your condition. This is the core of setting up your forwarding or redirecting process. You have the option to choose either forward to or redirect. The difference here is subtle but important. Forwarding sends a new email to the designated address, including any additional messages you might want to add, whereas redirecting sends the email as if it came directly from the original sender, keeping the email thread intact. Once you've decided on the action, you'll need to specify where the emails should go. Enter the designated email address or choose a folder where you'd like the emails to be redirected or forwarded. This could be another email account that you regularly use, or perhaps a specific folder within Outlook where you organize specific types of emails. Before everything is finalized, you can choose to run these rules on your existing inbox to get a head start on organizing your emails. After you've set everything up to your satisfaction, don't forget to save your new rule. It's as simple as that. And there you have it. Your emails will now be automatically forwarded or redirected according to the rule you've just created. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and you're well on your way to a more organized inbox. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.